శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం. Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. In that process, Maitreya saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma, all Rishis and Munis, they are all praying Yajnavaraha Swami, saying that, O Varahaswami, Pravargyamu, which is known as past activities, they are your tongue, and Upasana Agni is your head. O Varahaswami, all desires is your pranas, and Somayajnam is your retas, viryam, and Pratahkala Anushtanam, all the activities like Sandhya Vandanam and other activities are different stages in your routine. O Varahaswami, Agnishtomam, Atyagnistomam, Vukthyam, Shodasi, Vajapeyam, Atiratram, Aptoriyamam, all these are your dhatus. O Varahaswami, Satrayagas, all those yajnas are your joints in your body. Satrani, Sarvani Sarira Sandhihi, Tvam Sarva Yajnakratuhu Ishtibandhanaha. All yajnas, all kratus are your body. Namo namaste akhila mantra devata dravyaya sarvakratave kriyatmane. Hey Bhagavan, you are the supreme, and you are the one who is worshipped, praised by all the Veda mantras. O Varahaswami, we bow our heads to you. O Yajnavarahaswami, you are perceived by, you are realized by such a jnanam which comes out of bhakti, vairagyam and controlling of the mind. O Yajnavarahaswami, you are the teacher. You are the one who can teach us everything and who can educate us in all aspects. O Acharya, Jnanaya, Vidya Gurave Namo Namaha. We bow our heads and do Namaskaram to you. Vidvat Jananchita Hrutupalvalilola Bhuramana Lakshminatha Devottama. We are doing Namaskaram to you. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma, all Rishis, Munis, they are all praying Yajnavaraha Swami. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.